Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And again, guys, the theme is always going to be now the races. I'm just concentrating on all these stocks that start winning races, and actually some of them are winning races right at the beginning of the day. This is the opening 15-minute candle. Now, this is something that I would not normally see, this SFT. Look where it came from. 72 cents. It got all the way up to $1.35. I mean, that's just a tremendous percentage increase. Okay, I typically don't see these stocks until they hit a dollar, and that I didn't see it until it hit a dollar. And that was winning a race. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. See this? Look at this. I mean, that's at 122, okay? And that's like that. This is winning the race, when it's comparing itself to all the other stocks in that top list. But, I could have picked, I could have shown you this when it was at a dollar, at $1.05, at $1.10, as it kept winning and winning and winning, okay? So, to me, it's an amazing way to represent sort of, I guess, the best, the combination of, or taking the best of an alert window and a top list window, merging them into some kind of a hybrid way of looking at stocks that are really moving. That's the best way I can describe it. I think if you really, I'm going to almost exclusively just look at races now. I'm going to forget about alerts. I'm going to forget about top list windows. I'm just going to exclusively create these races out of my top list windows. And I'm not going to have too many, though. I don't want to get, run like 10 races at a time. I probably just need this one race, just the biggest gainers from the open. Okay, that's probably all I really need. And this is another one I want to show you that, where was the other one? This is another one, this BAT, B-H-A-T. I mean, just take a look at this. B-H-A-T. I mean, look what it has done today. Look what it has done. So, I mean, the craziness of this one, just to give you some background on, they announced the financing, I think, a couple of days ago. And then after hours yesterday, they said, you know what, we're not going to do it. And so, we saw this in the pre-market, but I have to admit, I dismissed this completely. I thought, okay, it got up to 151. It started to fade. I thought it was going to take out a dollar again and get right back down here. Look what it did. It kept winning race after race after race. And the way we structure these races, and again, I'm sorry, this is a little bit jumbled, but you see right on this right-hand column, number one, this is a race 10 times a day. You cannot take your eyes off this. And this turns into just a great watch list. When you think about it, just a great watch list. This is showing the stocks that are winning the races over and over again. So BAT has won a race 10 times today. VRM 5 times. MSPR 4 times. So the bottom line, though, is if you miss something, but you're keeping an eye on this, you can just click on the alert, see how it's setting up. Maybe it's setting up again for a resumption. So I'm telling you, I think the races are the way to go. I mean, I'm now a complete convert. I had my doubts about them, but I am a complete convert now. Probably all I'm going to look at. It just keeps me focused on one screen all day long. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room and see what else is going to happen. Any questions for me, you can use this email address, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope you have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.